go, guys. Welcome back to EMS and Power Melbourne Shuffle. My name is Gribbz. If you're not subscribed yet to the channel, please do so. This is going to be a demonstration of the Running Man, the more powerful version of the tutorial that I just went over in the last episode. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you can see, there's a Running Man for you there. High intensity. So I would say the only difference is I'm putting slightly a little bit more lean into it, and I'm going out farther. But I'm not bringing my knee up so high, you know. And again, some might call this Cali. Well, that's fine. This is just a way to enhance your Running Man, make it more powerful looking, get those nice, fat stomps in there, which is what we like, okay? So, you can see just now, my knee was up here, okay? That's tiring, okay? Maybe I'll do like 8 max. 6 to 8 max. I'm gonna switch it. Maybe I'll do like 8 to 16. If the song's really banging and I'm feeling it and I got enough energy, I'm like, all right, I'll do more Running Man. You can always do more, but you know, versus that other Running Man I was doing, my knee is a little bit lower, but I'm coming out farther, spreading my stride, but still coming down and giving it a nice flat smack or stomp. And remember, being very snappy with it, okay? So here we go again. So if you want my opinion, you can work up to this high knee one as well. Remember the 3 levels? You can work up to this. If you want that Cali, go for it. It's going to take a lot of training, a lot of energy, a lot of effort. But if you want more, I would say, same and more bang for your buck, save your knees a little bit, save your stamina and your strength, only bring the knee up to like 45, just below a 90, come out and give it that nice flat snappy look, okay? Okay, I can literally do that 2 to 3 times longer than the other, than a more Cali-based Running Man, okay? And it still looks powerful, it still looks aggressive, okay? So, if anything, golden rules of Running Man: look up, show that confidence, drive your knee up. By the time you get to right here, it should be flat, okay? By the time you're coming back down, it should definitely be flat, okay? you can take your time a little bit. If you're coming up with it, your foot's lagging a little bit, if you get in that flag formation, okay? Like I said in the previous video, it's not wrong, but by the time you come down, and you want that nice flat snap, that snappy, it's almost like the foot flick like I mentioned earlier. When your foot comes out, you want that nice, that snap. Boom, right when it comes here, you want that nice snap, okay? And you use the momentum of the stride going out to help snap the foot down, get that nice, powerful looking stomp, okay? So that right there is like an in-between normal running man, but yeah, like a normal running man, I would say a Cali style, which is like super, super powerful and aggressive. But that's it, guys. Gonna wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I put some good effort into this one. It felt pretty good to me. Let me know what you guys think. You know, there's always going to be more ways to do this, and there's over 4 to like 6 different running men. You know, so take something that I do and add it to your own, and see what happens. You know. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell, more content, and I will see you on the dance floor, guys. Keep shuffling. Peace!